In this video, I will go over the Go Math lesson plan. Go Math is the curriculum that we use for math in kindergarten. And as you can see, it's a 3-week lesson, and we have it set up where each lesson should take about 2 days. You can take as long or go as quickly as you feel fit for your child, but I just wanted to go through your choices here for each of the lessons. Now, as you can see, the lesson we left off on, you'll be starting up on, and that's lesson 10. So it's chapter 10, lesson 7. And the topic is making shapes. And if you click on the lesson here, it's highlighted, it's a link. It will take you to a short little introduction video that your kids can watch. And the kids have done these in class, so they know how to go through them. But I'll just quickly show you. You just click start.
Hey there! These are my friends, Roberto and Henry.
So it will go through the lesson, and here's the arrows. You go to the next page, and the kids do this in class, so they know how to do it. But that's the link right here that takes you to the introduction to the lesson. And then these are the workbook pages that cover this lesson. Now, if you don't have the internet, you can just go and do the workbook pages and discuss the topics with your children. But if you do have the internet, then these are great little videos for them to watch before starting in the workbooks. But the workbook pages will be 609 to 614. And then when they're done or in the middle, or if you want to take a break, they can go to this on the spot video. And to get to the on the spot video, you need to know that it's chapter 10, lesson 7. And that is right here. And like over here is 10:10. But I'll show you how to get in there. But the on the spot video, you click on there. And obviously here we are kindergarten, so you'd click kindergarten. And we're doing chapter 10, and we're on lesson 7. You can click in the corner here to make it bigger. And it just goes through a cute little video of the lesson, kind of reviews it. It's the kids watch them in school, so they're familiar with them. And then we also included some playlists that are on YouTube. So if you click on these, it'll take you to YouTube, and there'll be a playlist of songs that go along with that concept. So, and they're all laid out pretty similarly. It has the topic that you're talking about, the lesson video, the workbook pages, the on-the-spot video, and then some playlists, some songs that the kids can do. And then there's also optional extensions that you can do if you don't have internet, or just some ideas of some fun activities for the kids to do related to this lesson. So then there's day 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Day 9, you can see it's a little different. There's a chapter review and some tests, but it gives you all the page numbers and what we're talking about, and then some videos and some optional activities. So hopefully this is easy for you to understand, and the kids can go through in their workbooks and do these lessons and watch some videos to go along. If you have any questions, make sure you give us a holler and we'll help you the best we can. But like I said, the kids are familiar with these things because we've done them in class. So basically, just to get them on track, they should be able to go through and do a lot of it on their own. So hope this helps.